Today, I would like to review these two pieces of jewelry. It was given to me by the brand. And let me start with the necklace. So this is a fine chain, has the letter R here with a pearl. I like the quality, I like how it looks. Also it has here this to adjust the length of, of the necklace. This is how it looks, very easy to put on and off. And mine is gold plated. So as you can see here, it's very nice. And the second piece of jewelry is my earrings. They're also gold plated and they have a pink square. Overall, very nice. I will say be careful with the jewelry. Make sure you don't go to the water with that or a sauna. And it's very nice. You can match it, different outfits. I hope you give them a try and thank you for watching my video.